Good evening, grade 10s. I just wanted to go back over a couple of the concepts that we covered today in class. And the first thing I'm going to look at here is multiplying two binomials. So in this question, we have to multiply x plus 6 and multiply that by x minus 2 or x negative 2. And I'm going to show you two completely different methods how to do this. The first of which I affectionately call the Windows method, or the window method. So in order to start this is a 2 by 2 question. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw a window. I make it 2 panes by 2 panes. I then, from each piece of the first binomial, I put the x value, which is the first term, and I put it above the first window, and then positive 6 above the second window. Very important to make sure that the positives or negatives, as they may be, go down within the variable or the number to complete the term. I put the first one on the top. I could put the first one over here, but I just chose to put the first one on the top. I then go to my second term. I put the second binomial over here, put the first term here, and the second number I put down here. So now I have x and negative 2. I'm now set up to do the multiplication. This is a great way just simply to keep it organized. So the next step, what I want to do is I want to go x times x, and I get x squared. I continue to fill in each one of these panes by multiplying. So now it's x times 6, and I get positive 6x. Now negative 2 times x, and negative 2x. And finally negative 2 times 6, where I get negative 12. Once I have all four things, or all the windows filled in, I then write down all of the pieces below. So I have x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. And I'm going to pay special attention to these two because these two are what we call like terms, and I simply combine them for a final answer of x squared plus 4x minus 12. I'm also going to quickly show you another method to do this. If you're not a big fan of the window method, I can actually do what is commonly called the distributive property. So with the distributive property, I take the same question, and what I end up doing is multiplying x times x and get x squared. I then go x times negative 2. I multiply these two, and I get negative 2x. So I've multiplied both terms in the second bracket by x in the first bracket. I then go to my second number, which is 6. So it's 6 times x, which gives me positive 6x, and 6 times negative 2, which is negative 12. I once again combine my like terms, and I get a final answer of x squared plus 4x minus 12. There is some questions that are also attached to Google Classroom through the Google form. I ask that you get them completed before Thursday, where you will have a comm check. Have a good day off.